and welcome everyone to another episode of Faith Fitness. Today I wanted to share with you all a more intermediate to advanced style of lunge that I like to do with my clients as a part of like a balance challenge style of workout routine that incorporates a foam roller. So basically what I'll have the client do is come into a position like they're getting ready to do a stationary lunge, just up and down. Only for the leg that's in reverse, I put a foam roller under the top of their foot. So that way as they come down into that lunge, the foam roller is actually rolling up their shin. And what this does is it allows them to really concentrate on that front leg as they come down into the lunge and as they press themselves back up. Because when we're lunging, really the front leg should be our workhorse doing the majority of the labor for us. And so by putting a foam roller under the back leg, it adds this little bit of balance and instability that really brings that focus home and helps my clients really focus on their form and what their legs are doing. Don't worry, I'll cut to some video of me performing this at my local studio here in a second, but I just kind of wanted to go through some of the basics as to like why we do it, what you should be thinking about. That way it'll make a lot more sense when we actually cut to that footage. So I really want you to focus on when you're in the stationary position, even before you put that foam roller under your back leg, really think about you're grounding that front leg by the heel. So the heel is where all your body weight is being concentrated, and really try to stay out of the toes and the ball of the foot because that can put too much strain and pressure on your knee joint. So as you're coming down into that lunge with the front leg, I really want you to focus on feeling the quads, feeling the hamstrings and the glutes engage, and drawing your body weight down through that heel. And then as you begin to press up out of that lunge position, I really want you to focus on pressing up through the heel of the leg in front. So let's go ahead and cut to some video of me performing this at my local studio. That way you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I've placed a foam roller under the back shin of my reversed leg, and I'm lunging down and lunging back up. And again, like I mentioned before, I'm really focusing on that front leg. That's my workhorse power leg that's doing all the great effort for me. So it's doing all the labor of getting me down as well as pushing me back up. So the back leg gets to focus on all the fun stuff like balance and mobility of getting me up and down off the ground. And I don't want to just dump my body weight into that back leg because there's a foam roller there, and that's gonna be really uncomfortable. So this is a great way to work on your balance and really work on your strength and stability in that front leg. And of course, when I'm done with this side, I'll switch to the other side. That way I can even myself out. Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. As always, if you have any questions on this move, please leave those in the comments down below. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you next week for another Faith Fitness video. So until then, bye guys! Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. If you're new to my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date on all of my content. Otherwise, I will see all of you next week for another Faith Fitness video. So until then, bye guys!